I'm Dan Joyce, the editor of Cycle magazine. I'm here at Birmingham's NEC for the cycle show. Let's have a look around. Cycling UK members have written to Cycle magazine asking what to do with their old inner tubes. The answer is send them to Cycle of Good. They'll turn them into seat packs, messenger bags, purses, belts and more. And the profits from the enterprise go to helping people in Malawi. This is Shanz' new Leverette. It's a general purpose rough stuff style bike aimed particularly at commuters. So it's a belt drive bike, which makes sense for a bike that might get left in the rain. It has to have a split frame, of course. This one has an Alphine hub, so it's cheaper. This retails for, I think, 1,895, so still quite expensive, but cheap in Shanz terms. And for that you get a nicely made chromoly frame, carbon fork, and it's got fittings for mudguards, racks, and any gear system you want to put on it, really. So there were lots of e-bikes at the cycle show this year. This is the only electric assist quadricycle that I've come across so far. And it has a car-like body shell as well. And though it's not shown on this one, there's also a canopy that comes over the top. It's powered by a Shimano Steps motor. And like any quadricycle, it'll do up to 25 kilometers an hour assisted. Because of that electric motor, it means a more unwieldy vehicle like this is relatively easy to cycle. Is it the future? I don't know. I feel a bit like a Tomorrow's World presenter, but you can try it yourself because it's on the test track. This is JD Laverak's Jack, which is their all-roads bike. What I like about this one is that it is a very nice titanium and carbon fibre forged gravel bike, or all-roads bike. There's something special about it, and that's this. It's got a hub dynamo. The dynamo cable comes in here, runs up the fork to the light here, up inside the seat post, and out through a hole in the seat post there. This is a dynamo powered rear light. This is my favourite thing at the whole show. It's the Hope Duo lever. It's one unit, 2 pistons, 2 levers, and it gives someone with one hand, or the use of one hand, the ability to brake independently the front and rear wheels. So those are 5 things that caught my eye at the show. If you come along, once you've seen everything in terms of shiny gizmos and gadgets, don't forget to drop by at the Cycling UK stand. If you're not a member, you can join. And over the weekend, on the Friday and the Saturday, Cycling UK will be giving talks on Teach the Reach, the Dutch Reach, which stops cyclists getting car doored. And there'll be a panel discussion on women's cycling as well. Have a great show.